Yo, what's up, guys? I'm making a video. I'm gonna do a suppressed gun chat with a suppressed gun only video because I got bored enough to not think of anything else. So yeah, let's see how this goes. And it is search and destroy with 60 health, which means the health is pretty well, not that much, but a little bit, kind of minuscule. Minuscule. Sorry. Yeah. First round. Died already. Just more. Okay. I'm gonna have to do it. I'm doing it right now. Guys, I can't help it if the camera is kind of tilted. I'm sorry. Crap. Difficulties up to hardened. I messed up. Wait, hold up, what? Hold on. Let me end the game real quick because apparently time was still on, which I don't remember putting 1 minute on. There was no time. Oh, someone planted the bomb. The bomb's gonna be 1 minute. Plant time is gonna be like 5 seconds. No. Plant time is just gonna be 10 seconds. This is just gonna be about 9.5. Change the map. This is my usual search and destroy map that I always use, Metro. It's because it's pretty good with the map size, and it makes it easier to reach everything faster. Okay, let's try this again. Because last time I wasn't really paying attention because I was mainly just talking. Well, and I was like, there was no bomb there. Because I went right through there without a bomb being there. And I figured out that it was downstairs. Alright, let's go pistol. You give me a pistol in any game, wrecking anyone. Even if full health, I'm still doing it. Crap. If I have a sight on it, kind of makes it a little too low. Easy, perhaps, would be a good word. That's good, okay. $5.27. There we go. Now we're tied. Okay. Let's try the skin. Last time I messed up. Well, anyway, you give me a pistol and I don't aim, I'm still killing anyone that I see. It's just harder aiming and shooting for me with the pistol for some reason. I don't know why. Because I'm able to aim and shoot better with pretty much every other gun except for the MR6 or any pistol like that. Just brazen LMG. Okay, you're inside. You're outside again. And you're dead. Okay. GG teammates, GG. Got him. Oh, that was easy. One of the most beloved guns in Call of Duty, Black Ops 3 to Black Ops 4, the ICR. Which in Black Ops 4 they have the ICR 7 and this one has the ICR 1. What happened to the ICR 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6? Why'd I ask that? Because it's like, okay. Never mind. Like I said, that was easy. Oh, he using ghosts? No, you're not. That was pretty nice. 5-2-1. Alright, I'm gonna switch my classes out with different weapons that have suppressors as well. Probably just gonna edit and cut that out. Just skip straight to when I'm done and then yeah. Alright. So I got my classes all set up now. Y'all can't always see the classes because my classes are going to be a surprise. Y'all only see my classes once I actually get into the game itself. So, yeah. Starting off, the CUDA. Suppressed, extended mag, and stock. Well, that was easy. Once again. Let's see how this goes. The KN-44 high caliber FMJ and suppressor. Well, dang. Well, he's using a K&N, so I can't blame him. Same gun as me. Without the same exact attachments. Again, pretty easy. Since it's shotgun. I'm gonna have more challenges. Not in this video, but probably another video. Oh, I forgot the last video I made. I said I would do zombies next time. I'm going to include zombies into this video since I forgot. Since it was originally going to be Black Ops 3 challenges. But in the playlist, it would have been Black Ops 3. Time for the special class. this special class would come in handy. Hence my last video I made. Don't call it practice. Except this one has a suppressor on it instead of just extended clip and fast mag. The reason why I always use this, with the attachments on this gun, is because it's one of my most best attachments on a gun. Well, on a sniper at least. Extended mag and fast mag just turns into a freaking real life game. Alright, time for zombies. I'm sorry if my videos have like a low voice. It's mainly because it's just my normal voice. Like a kind of quiet one. Just my normal voice. Whenever I wake up. And whenever I don't even know. I sometimes do this voice just whenever either I wake up, or I'm just trying to stay a bit quiet. Yeah. At 24 and 30, but it's going 24 minutes and 35 seconds already. $5:45. I might be lucky if I can make this. I'm not gonna play this clip. I'm not playing this clip. I need to do this real quick. So then I could get the ritual done. Shoot the Shadow Man again. Hopefully it would go right. Fumigator. Summoning key. This. And beast again. It's my, oh my god. I just saw all those zombies. Not feeling it, man. Come at me. Come at me. It's like, what the freak just happened? Crap, I missed it. Sharpshooter. And that was kind of hard. Hit him in the nuts. It's not so good. gun. I'm doing it. Begin the ritual. Crap, I gotta reload. Spawn, spawn, spawn. Okay, you didn't. Shadow Man? Wait, but y'all supposed to explode. Y'all supposed to. Yo, what the freak is that? What is supposed to? Y'all supposed to. Okay. Okay, Box is over there. That's not so good. I'll still do it anyway. Become human. I don't want to. Run back. I'm gonna make sure you're not the last zombie. Oh, it wasn't anyway. Box, I need you to do me a favor. Hurry the freak up. Give me my gun. The BRM. It's so good. Let me go. Let me go. Okay, thank you, because I almost just got dropped. Okay. Got that. Go up here. Takes one zap. Takes one zap. Jump down to 360. Let's get it. Wait, how much that? Hey! The portal was right there. I was about to run down the stairs. I could have went that way. I feel like I'm an idiot, because I am. Come at me. See ya. Why do you have to come? Whoever said you could? It's time. That was a little bit of overkill, right? Okay, stop. That's disgusting. Can you seriously not hit me? Okay, there we go. Okay. Gonna hit the box. No, not with my bare hands, because that would hurt. I'm happy at the fact that I just got this. Oh, what do you give me? Another one of those guys? Yup. I need something. Not like that. Okay. I'm not gonna melee them. Who uses ammo? Okay. Got some areas. Wait, these don't correspond to the way it goes because that's a bomb. Okay. As this one has something, but it's not Jug because Jug is supposed to be right there. That's not there, I think. Wait, that, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's not there. What I'm about to open. Actually, no, I'm going to save it for Jug. I'm going to have to open it anyway. Skip this. Wow, the most useless Nice shot. Wait. It's gone. My best luck is to just grab that lucky crit. That is a bloodhound. That's not good. Okay. What? Yeah, I don't get it. Spawn, spawn, grenade, 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 grenade. Skip you. I don't like you. You are the complete definition of disgusting. Ew, ew. Get away, get away, get away, get away. I'm gonna become the beast real quick, because you are kind of kill me. You are kind of kill me. Can I kill a beast with the beast? That'd be pretty freaking sick, dude. Okay. Slide past. That was the easiest. Die, 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 die. I don't want you to live. I want you to die. You are so disgusting. I don't want to die. That, never mind. Why did I even try that? Okay, let's think about this. In the eye. If I hit him in the other eye, game over for you. Oh. Or maybe game over for me. Because I decide to freaking not walk while shooting. Oh my god. Well, yeah, that's for it. So, well, I said it anyway. Bye.